Today, we are having lots of fun with this fishing game.
I'm so fast. Oh, come here.
Are you ready to help Asher catch the fish?
Yeah!
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woo!
Whoa, welcome to Asher Learning Adventure. And today we're going fishing and we have a big fishing machine. Are you ready to do the big fishing machine?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's start.
And we have this one.
Turn it on.
Yeah. Ollie, get over here, Rafi. Yeah.
Ooh, we got one redfish. Let's see. Oh my God, you're going so fast. Ooh, there you go.
This is on top of there. It's on top of there. I got it. I got it.
Wow, you got another one.
I'm so fast. Oh, come here.
Oh, another one.
I get out of here. Hello.
Oh, a yellow one.
The yellow.
Get it? You trying to get that yellow one?
Cause it's closing to her mouth.
Let's see, let's see.
It's closing her mouth.
Try another one. I think that one is not opening the mouth.
Oh yeah. The orange one's open.
Ooh, you got it. Nice.
I think the green one. That's one of the red ones. Ah! Oh! Oh, how much I like that. Ah!
Nice.
Ah!
Nice. Oh my God, you're almost done. Try another one. We'll fix it in a second. Oh my God, you. No, they're backwards. Their heads are down. We'll fix it in a second.
Yeah!
Yes! Oh my God, look at all the fish that we have. Yeah!
I'm gonna fix this.
Turn it off.
There you go.
Alright, turn it back on. Yeah, you got it. Nice.
It's still a little bit more charged. What? The green one still opens her mouth. Look, Daddy, the green one.
Get it. Yeah.
Look at the gold.
Yeah. No, just leave it there.
Look at the arm. It's getting a lot of time.
And the last one.
And wait, we forgot the yellow one.
Let's see if you can open it. Make it open the mouth.
I got
That one is not gonna work. That one is malfunctioning. All right, let's see how many fish we have. Count all the fish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19.
One more. 20. You didn't count that one. Yeah, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah. And that one, but that one doesn't want to be cashed. Oh my God, it doesn't open the mouth. All right, I want to play now. You want me to play with you? Put them back. All right, we're ready. And I have...
The red one.
Yeah, I have the red one to cash it.
And it's your 3, 2, 1.
Turn it on.
Yeah.
Boom.
And start.
Start, let's see.
No.
Oh my God, you can catch too. Try.
Oh.
See who catches more. You put yours on this side. You put yours on this side, and I put mine on this
Oh,
side.
I got one.
Oh, you got one. Man, I don't have any. Ooh, I got one too. Oh, I got two. Oh, I'm winning.
Where's mine?
I'm winning.
No, I'm winning.
Oh my God, 2. Ah, let's see. Ah, I got 3.
I got 3.
Let's see.
I got 4.
Oh, I got 4 too. Let me see.
It jumped over the fish and I went to the next one.
Oh my God, I'm missing everything.
5.
Oh, I got 5 too.
I'm winning.
Oh, I got 6.
I got 6.
Oh my God, I'm missing everything.
I got 6.
Oh my God, I'm missing everything. Ooh, I got it. Ooh, let me see.
I got.
Oh, you got that one. You can take it out. Pick it up. Pick it up. I'll let you catch that one. Get it? Get it. Pick it up. Put it over there. All right. Boom. I got that one.
Let me catch this fish. Let me catch it. Get away, Daddy. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away.
Oh
Get
my
away.
God, I think you're
Get
winning.
away. Get away.
Boom. I got that one. Oh my God, we only have
3 fish in there. No.
3 more. Ooh, that's you right there. Oh my God. Let me see if I can get this one. Boom, I got that one.
I got this one.
Oh my God, let me see if I can open this one.
Get away.
I got the impossible one. Yeah. All right, turn it off. Let's count. Whoa. All right, we're back. All right, let's start counting. Let's see how many I have. Let's see.
Yeah.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
8, 9, 10,
11.
11. All right.
Let's see how many.
Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, I won! Oh. I won by 1. You want another round?
Yeah.
All right, let's go another round. Oh my God. I won by 1. We're going on round 2. Yeah.
Let's put some back. And you're sure gonna lose. Just so you.
All right, let's start round 2.
Let's
Fight.
go.
Let's fish.
I'm gonna get one right here. Over here. They're over here. Yeah!
Oh, you got your first one.
If you have 0, I have 1. I got 2. And I got 3.
Oh my God, you go so fast. I only have 1.
Get out of here. I'm so fast. Daddy, you're too fast. Stop getting my fish. Daddy, what? Daddy, you're winning. I think you're winning. Daddy, I think you're winning.
Oh my God, yeah. 4-4, we're tied.
We're not.
Let's go. Let's go.
5. I'm not. Can you get 5?
Let's go.
Let's get 6. You get 6.
Let's go. Oh my God, I can't get none.
I got 6.
Oh my God.
Get over here, yellow one.
Oh my God.
8.
Oh my God. Ah, missed that one.
I
Jeez.
got 9. And I'm okay.
You got 8.
No, I got so
8.
No, I got 9.
When you get this one, you get 9. Ah, let me see. Ah.
I got 1. It went to your side,
9. Now you have 9.
and I'm gonna be
Oh my God, I got that one.
here. You can get it now.
Ah. All right, I picked up that one. That's all right.
We're good. Let me get it. Don't get my fish. No, get out of the way, Daddy.
Pick it up.
I can't pick it up.
Oh my God, it's getting so hard.
It's hard.
Oh my God, we haven't. Oh my God, we haven't gotten any fish.
I got 10.
Oh, you have 10. Oh my God. Let me see. Ooh, got that one right there. Ooh.
I got this one.
Oh my God, you got 11. Ooh, I'm gonna try the impossible one. Oh my God, you got the impossible one, and I got the last one. Yeah.
Daddy, you cheated me. You think I'm
Yeah.
You
What?
think
No, I got that one. Turn it off. Ah, oh my God, you won. Yeah, you won. Yeah.
So is it round 3? So
Round 3.
yeah,
This is the last round. Whoever wins is the champion.
yeah. And the winner gets to go upstairs and science.
All right. Let's go. Put them back. Whoa, we ready for round 3. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's start.
And the timer, it starts. The timer starts.
Ooh, I got my first one.
Give me 10. I want to get 1. I got 1.
Ooh, I got the second one.
I got the second one. I'm winning. I'm already. Get over here, blue one. Hey, get away. Get away, Daddy.
Oh.
No, that's mine.
No, that's mine. Don't cheat.
Cheating.
3-3. We got 3-3.
I got.
Oh, you got your fourth one. Oh my God, I'm in trouble.
I am in trouble too. Stop. I am in trouble. Guys, help me. Help me.
Ooh, I got my fourth one.
I got my second one.
Ooh, you got 5.
I got 5. I got 6.
Oh my God, I'm falling behind.
You're doable.
Oh my God.
I got 7.
I got that one. But turn around.
I got.
Turn it around. All right.
I got this.
Oh my God, you're about to be the champion. I need to cash up.
You know, you
Ooh,
can catch
oh my God, man.
But Daddy, you need
Turn
to catch
around.
up.
Turn around.
Daddy, you need to catch up. Daddy, why you fish? I'm gonna be the champion.
Oh, boom.
I'm
Oh
gonna
my
be the
God, we
champion.
have 5. Look at all the ones you have. I only have 5.
I don't have.
Oh, I need to
That-
cash up.
No, you're not gonna catch up, Daddy.
Oh
No,
my God.
I got one.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's so hard. Get over here, blue one.
Oh my God.
I get over
You're
here.
finishing me. Oh my God.
No.
Oh.
Get over.
One more. I need one more.
No.
Oh.
No. Get out. What?
Oh.
Skillfully.
Fight. I got it.
Yay.
Oh my God.
Hey, cause I
Oh,
need
the impossible one. Let's see who get it. Be careful, Poppy.
I'm trying to block you. No.
Turn around. All right, let's see the impossible one. Let's see who can get it.
I'm gonna get it.
I got the impossible one. All right, turn it off. Let's count. Oh man, I think you won.
Yeah.
I think you won. Let's count. Put them in order.
Baby, so tired we won.
Let me see. No, it's not a tie. Look at all the ones you have. Count yours. Put them in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my God, so many fish. All right, count mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, you're the champion of the fishing game. Yeah.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye.